A special workshop titled Blossom with Grace was successfully organized by Family First Guidance Center in Mumbai to promote awareness, confidence, and accurate understanding of menstrual health among adolescent girls. During the program, experts guided the participants through a blend of Islamic teachings and modern scientific knowledge, while a large number of young girls actively took part in the workshop. Now, let us hear from the participants themselves and find out how this program enhanced their understanding, confidence, and perspectives, and how they experienced this unique initiative.
Today's program and the Family First Guidance Center.
Yeah, so I found today's program really interesting, and it taught me many things, and I barely knew half of the things about menstruation and all, and I feel like it was a really good insight for young girls like our age, and I would do it again. And I feel like the guidance center is a really nice initiative, and I hope it goes well.
Can you just let us know how did you like today's program on menstrual cycle and about Family First Guidance Center?
It was really nice. It was amazing. I learned a lot of new things and a lot of informative things. The Family First Center was also really nice.
Hope to see you again, inshallah. For our
Yes,
next program.
inshallah.
We had this workshop today on menstruation and mental health and nutrition and the anatomy of menstruation. So what did you think about the workshop and how was it conducted? And can you say something about the workshop and the speakers?
For sure. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Amina and this is the first time I've been over here. This workshop was amazing. It was so knowledgeable and it made me realize so much things that I did not knew according to Islam. It was amazing to be over here. All the speakers, all the teachers, they were so supportive. They taught us so many things, so many new things. I would recommend people to come here and it was amazing.
Did you like the activities and the things that were done practically, the props that were used? Did you feel that it made the workshop more better and more enlightening and more understandable?
I loved it. Actually, it made it very much interactive with the students who were here. It made them very much active and I got to know how many opinions people have. Everybody has different opinions and they were also supportive about everything they taught us.
Can you throw some light on today's program? How did you like it?
Yeah.
Any reviews and feedback?
I loved it. It was very interesting and I gained so much knowledge over here. I would like to come here again and have fun with all these people.
Which
It was
the
very
best part
fun.
of today's program from all the four. Of
The
course, all were best,
dietitian
but
one.
The health dietitian one.
The health dietitian was my favorite. I got to know so much that eating spinach only wasn't
Important.
good, wasn't important. We have to take vitamin C with it too.
Alhamdulillah.
I'll for sure come here again.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
Can you tell us how was today's program or your review?
It was actually knowledgeable and I actually loved it.
Any particular thing that you like the most or where you gained some knowledge out of it?
Yeah, I gained much knowledge and I like it actually.
Alhamdulillah. And all our four speakers were
Yeah, they were really good.
really good. Looking forward for more.
Yeah,
intake.
inshallah, inshallah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakallahu khairan, Sister Seher, for being a part of Family First and for the Teenagers First program that was menstrual cycle. Can you throw some light?
Walaikum assalam, Sana. It was an excellent initiative by the Family First Guidance Center, and I am so very happy and proud to be a part of it always. I enjoyed conducting the workshop and the kind of kids we had. They were so much, they were so involved in the workshop and they were participating so well. And I think they enjoyed all the activities, they understood well. All the speakers curated their part so well and they made it so easy and understandable to the kids according to their age group. And all the terms and all the things were taken, all the topics were taken care of so well. It was really amazing, and I hope that we have such
Inshallah. This
workshops
is going to be a
in
series,
future,
inshallah.
and we have it in series, and we have more speakers,
Inshallah.
and we can reach out to more people. Inshallah.
Jazakallahu khairan,
I like
Kaseera, for
care
being
and.
a part of it. Jazakallahu khairan, Sister Tarannum, for being a part with Family First today and for coming in these rains. Can you throw some light, like how was the program, and would you like to have some more of it?
So, Alhamdulillah, first of all, Jazakallah Khair Family First for organizing such a unique and informative program that is the need of the hour. And I believe that every girl who is aged between 12 to 18 years should attend this program, which covered a lot of important aspects. More about the medical aspect about menstruation, coupling it up with the lovely, amazing mental health counseling as well, the mental health aspect. And then we had the Islamic aspect, where we had other sisters speak about it. And lastly, the nutrition part, which Alhamdulillah made the program complete.
Alhamdulillah.
And inshallah, next time we urge every girl to attend this.
Inshallah.
And to apply this knowledge, and as well as include this as a part of their legacy.